Okay, so you want to know how to download voice clips from Messenger. As you can see, when you right click, you can download this audio, or clicking here, you don't have the option to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to right click and go to inspect element, and you have to wait here. Once you are here, you have to press this button and go to network. And once you're here, you play the audio. As you can see, it appears here. And the next thing you have to do to get this audio, double click into it. And as you can see, the audio clip was downloaded. So if this video was useful for you and helped you to get to download Facebook Messenger audios, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the bell, and see you in another video. Easy way.